Hey y'all, quick unboxing real quick. I'm getting ready to head out, but I wanted to show you guys I ordered 2 new pairs of sunglasses from Quay Australia. Y'all know I've been wearing them shades forever. These are one of my favorites. These are the high keys, my favorites. And I also have the after hours, which are like tarnished. Hold on. These are the after hours, and these are the matte ones. You see how the matte is coming off, but like I said, I've had these shades for years, but I love the way these look on me. So I ordered me 2 new pairs. They was actually having that I want to get one to put some off, and we love to see it. So they always send their stuff nice and package up real good. You always get a Q case and a glass lens cleaner. So these are the after hours. See, then you get a cute little white. These cases are like very, very sturdy too. So again, here are the after hours. I didn't know if I wanted not the matte again, but my other shades are not matte, so I went back with the matte. Yo, fire. You talking about throw some shades on and can't nobody see your ass? Okay. These are a whole freaking vibe. And I think these were $65. Let me show you guys the other pair that I got. Now these were a little out of my comfort zone, but y'all know blue is my favorite color. So these come in a different little bag. So it's like this little magnetic top. So it's like a little pouch. And these are called the Narrow Down. So these are in cobalt blue. Y'all know this is my favorite color. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Ugh. Ooh. Wait. Somebody say something. Oh. Ooh, me? These? Me? Oh, yeah. These cute. I cannot wait to wear these at the pool or outside in a cute little outfit. I'm serving shades, okay? If you're interested in these, I will leave the link below. You guys can check them out. Ooh, this one has like a neon yellow glass cleaner. Oh, so freaking cute. All right, y'all, I'm about to head out. I will check back in when I get back. So Peter is getting his annual vaccinations. I don't recall paying all this money. Well, no, I'm not even gonna lie. The first time, because he already had initially his first round of shots when we bought him from the breeder. So it wasn't as expensive, but this time I'm doing the whole round, $130, okay? So yeah, dollars are not cheap. And these shoes are making my feet ashy. I'm supposed to wear no lotions or no oils. They comfy though. Hey y'all, different day, same outfit. That's the purpose of these tees. You just throw them on and roll out. I didn't even have this on long yesterday, so whatever. So I'm getting ready to head to my wax appointment, then I'm headed to Trader Joe's. So I will take you guys shopping with me at Trader Joe's. Naima. It actually should have been canceled already. It's over 30 days. 10:15 on the 9th is okay? Okay. Thank you so much. So if you're not familiar with getting a wax or whatever, they do, when they tell you to come every 4 weeks or whatever, do that, because the more often you come, the less painful it is. So right now, I've been consistently going since what, February, March, and I literally have like no hair. So when I get, when the wax is being done, it's not as painful. But it's still like a little, you know, uncomfortable feeling, but it's not as harsh as them removing a whole bunch of hair. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go over here to Trader Joe's. It's literally across the street, and then I'll show you guys some stuff. I need to start making a list when I come in here, because every time I come in here I go overboard, but we're just gonna work it out.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mouth cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call, try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you're doing what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Went gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I just stop doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, I just stop doing what I want. Get some me time.
Shopping at Trader Joe's is done. I spent $100. As you can see, I basically got frozen stuff and some wine. So yeah, I'll be headed home and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, I'm back from Trader Joe's. Let me show you real quick what I got. It ain't a lot, but it's enough. $100 worth, basically. Basically frozen stuff. But now, like I said, when I go to Trader Joe's, I get frozen stuff. So first up are these snacky clusters at Trader Joe's. So these are sea salted potato chips, corn chips, dippers, and mini pretzel nuggets mixed in milk chocolate. So I have one for me, one for Tasha. Shauna actually showed this in our group chat, and we were like, So I asked Tasha if she wanted them, because I was one today. One for me, one for her. Next thing are these pita chips with Florence request. These are the baked pita with sprinkle of sea salt. They're okay to me. I'm not really a fan. Veggie fried rice. Never can go wrong with this. I also wanted to try this watermelon cucumber cooler. I want to say I've tried this before, but in the little can version. So I got this to try. Also, we've never had the chicken chow mein, and it says low fat. Try that. Then I have 3 seasonings that I needed to try. So this is 21 Seasons Salute. I thought this name was cool. So this one has onion, spices, black pepper, celery seed, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, savory, rosemary, whatever. It's a whole bunch of stuff in there. So they say you could put this on basically everything. And then this is just the regular old garlic powder. And then I got the Green Goddess. So this one basically is a versatile seasoning sprinkled for veggies, rice, fish, eggs, or used as a dip for dressing. So to show you how to make the dip. Also picked up another one of these. So we had this before. Torrance actually enjoyed them. So these are the chicken shumai. I don't know. They look like dumplings. Want to try those. Let me get the other bag. Got me a dozen of flowers. These are so pretty. And they smell so good and so fresh. So I'll put these in a vase. So we also got the chicken spring rolls. I had the veggie rolls. They were pretty good. So I wanted to try the chicken. We've had these before. These are always going to be a staple. These are the chicken soup dumplings, y'all. These are so freaking good. Got another beef pho. Now, I wanted to try this, so I got two just in case Torrance wanted to try. This is the mixed mushroom and spinach quiche. So I got two of those to try. And then these are also a staple. I will definitely pick these up every time I go. These are the butter chicken with the basani rice. So I got two of these. So good. And then lastly, we have the adult beverages. Now, I had the peach bellini before. These are $6, so I wanted to try the mango. They're okay. They're only, I think they're like 8%. Yeah, they're only 8% alcohol, so y'all already know the vibe on that. And then the last bottle, hold on. The last bottle of wine I got is a Cabernet Sauvignon. So this is Velvet Moon. This is 13.5%. So I will add this to the bar. And then I also picked up the salted caramel and pistachio candle. They did not have none of the body care line. When I say none, they had nothing. They only had this candle. This candle was $4. People say that it's worth it. So we'll see. It's soy. It's supposed to be smelling bomb. So can't wait to try that. So that's it for this haul, y'all. $108 later. Real quick, I want to show y'all a few pieces that I picked up from Amazon. These are not from the Prime sale. I ordered these before Prime Day. I have some stuff coming in for Prime Day, so I'll probably show y'all that later on in the week. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is some lashes. I just picked up another order of lashes. Y'all, these are my favorite lashes. So this is from the vendor Food Launch. So these are the cat eye lashes. Love these. If you're interested, y'all know I have all my Amazon links below. Now, y'all know I've been looking for some lime green stuff to go with my lime shoes. And I found this cute little handbag. Isn't this cute? It's not the same green, but it's in the same family. Don't have to match. And then it has like this silver crossbody chain. It's not as long as I would like it to be for me. I'm 5'8" for it to be a crossbody, but it'll do. But this bag is so cute. It was definitely under $20. It's a big enough size to put all my little necessary things in my phone, lip gloss, keys, selfie light, whatever. It's actually bigger than I thought, but it's still small, but it's still a good size. And the last item I got, like I said, y'all know I've been trying to find green stuff. Ordered me some shades, y'all. Look at these shades. Oh, fire. You hear me? Cute. Oh, okay. I thought somebody over there said something. So cute. So freaking cute. I have an adult pool party to go to. These may be the vibe for that. As I have a bathing suit this color. I can wear my foam shoes. And that's what's going to be. Because they cute. Purr. Alright, so that's all for today. Like I said, today is Wednesday. I don't have nothing else going on today. I have nothing planned tomorrow. Friday. So I'll check out back in with you guys. If I don't see y'all later on today, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, later on this day, we had a water main break in my neighborhood, so they shut our water off. The estimated time was between 6 to 8 hours. I can't. So I just packed the kids up and we headed downtown and checked into a hotel. So this turned into a mini staycation, which was kind of much needed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.